Lesson on fact about this helmet is that it's not manufactured by MT directly. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rafiq and I'm going to unbox my new MT Mugello helmet today. So this is its box, let me show you. So you can see the branding over here and some stuff. And on this side it says full face helmet and it's full of security, technology, quality and comfort. And here you can see the manufacturer's information, the same stuff. Let us open it up and let me show you the helmet itself. We have this nice little pouch to protect it from scratches. Let me quickly take it out and show you the helmet. Now here comes my new MT Mugello helmet. It's nice, clean looking and is with a matte finish. This is an entry-level helmet from MT and you can see the model of the helmet Mugello, and you can see it is DOT certified as well as ECE certified. The graphics of the helmet looks nice. The black, yellow and white definitely is attractive, and you can also see the branding of the helmet. And this is the air vent, I mean the outflow for the air, and there are two of them. And on this side as well you can see the branding of MT. And let me show you some more air vents. These are the inflow air vents, two of them here and one more over here. You can actually close and open this air vent according to your need. And let's talk about the visor now. It's a pin lock ready visor and it has a quick release function, 2.2 mm thickness. It's an anti-scratch visor and the size that fit me was a medium. It was 580 mm and it has a 4-star sharp rating. Those who don't know what a sharp rating is, you can go ahead and check in YouTube or google.com. You'll definitely find some answers for that. And these are some additional air vents that you can close and open to regulate the airflow inside the helmet. Now let's talk about the inside of the helmet. You get nice cushions inside the helmet and they are so soft. These are laser cut and they are removable and anti-allergic. Even the chin curtain is removable. You can remove the liner and wash them to keep the helmet clean. And you also get very good quality of the chin straps, which has a double D ring, which is a way better option than the regular quick release chin straps and clips. And these are some paperworks. Like I said, it's made of very good quality, robust, and that's how you fasten it. Let me actually get it more closer to the camera so that you might have a better look what the helmet looks like from the inside. Like you can see, it's all padded. And a lesson on fact about this helmet is that it's not manufactured by MT directly. It's a Spartan Pro Gear product. Yes. So Spartan Pro Gear has partnered up with MT helmets to manufacture this helmet in India itself. And no matter how much you search in the MT website, you won't be able to find this model. So not only this, there are other models as well which Spartan Pro Gear is manufacturing. You can clearly see that it is designed by MT helmets in Europe, but the manufacturing is taking place in India itself. And that's the reason that this helmet is so affordable, because it doesn't attract any customs duty or import charges or anything. But like all the other MT helmets, it has injected polycarbonate shell and as well as multi-density inner EPS for better impact absorption. And as I said earlier, it has a pin lock ready visor to attach or detach the anti-fog insert. I haven't used this helmet yet, but I'll surely be using it in 2 days when I go to Kurnool, and I'll let you know how comfortable I feel with this helmet. I'll leave a link to buy this helmet in the description below. So that's it for today guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.